And that's the solution of both of those lines. You know what I'm talking about? Remember when the two lines intersect, right? If this, right, this x comma y, they both belong to what? Two linear equations, don't they? So it doesn't matter which one you plug in. It is a solution for both of them. You understand what I'm talking about? So let's plug in. Okay. So did you all get 5, -1? By the way, when you plug it in.
Is that the vertex, or is it just a
No, it's not called a vertex. It's just a intersection. Vertex is for parabola. Okay, remember? Yeah. So there it is. That's where the two lines intersect. 5, -1, right? Guess what people do to mess this up? They write, instead of 5, -1, they write -1, 5. Don't do that, right? You gotta write in. It's order pair. You have to write in alphabetical order. So there you go. Okay.
No, don't fix the arrow, please. Please don't.
Okay. What'd you say? Fix it. Oh.
No,
Oh, this?
That's fine. No,
Oh, okay. Okay. Fine. There you go. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. Good. Okay. Here we go. Try this yourself. Go ahead, guys. Guys, how many people saw this and go, okay, should I solve for x or y? X? Okay. On the first equation, right? Because second equation, if you were to solve x or y, you're gonna get some fractions, right? So, how come I don't want to solve for y? Yeah. Yeah, there are two y's there. You gotta gather these y's together first, don't you? Which once you do, then you just have x by itself. You see what I'm talking about? Hello? So, did you all do this first? X equals to 3y. Okay, isn't that easier to plug in? Okay, go ahead, keep going then. Okay. Okay, so who could tell me what to write now? Yeah.
You write 2x.
Yeah.
I mean 2, and then you put parentheses, and then you get 3y.
Yep.
In parentheses, then minus 5y equals 4.
Very good. Did you all get this third equation?
Yeah.
Notice I have all the I have my third equation with only one variable, right? Okay. Okay, then did you all get y equals to 4?
Yes.
Okay, if you didn't, you didn't do it correctly. You get 6y minus 5y, then 6y minus 5y is simply y, right?
I got x equals 12.
Oh, you've solved for x?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. Then when you plug it in, which one should we plug it into? First equation or the second? Which is easier? Since it doesn't really matter. The second one is easier to plug in for y? To get x?
Oh, no, to get
Yeah,
y.
yeah, to get x, you plug into the first equation, don't you? No, you just...
Oh, I was
The
Then,
solution is
so
12,
now there are
4.
2 places for y, so I plug into 2 places.
I know what the answer
Did
is.
you all get 12? There you go, Jeffrey, so you got that right. And so it is, how many people got 12? 4. Very good.
I have 2
Very
hands
good.
up because
All
I
right.
got doubly good.
Okay, then everybody try this one, go ahead. If you got that one, go ahead, guys. Try this. Okay, this one's kind of interesting, guys. It's already solved for y, so do I have to solve for any of the variable? No, so you just simply plug it in. And so when I plug it in there, I get 8x minus 8x plus 10 equals 20. Now I get 10 equals to 20. What does 10 equal to? 10. It does not equal to 20. So this is a false statement. Therefore, what's my solution? What does this mean, first of all? What does this mean? It means, how about, yes, Amber. That's right. If you were to graph these two lines, they're parallel. Right, Minas? So what's your solution? There is no solution. So which one do you write as your answer? Do you write that the two lines are parallel? Is that what I'm asking? No, I'm asking what is the solution? Then you write no solution. But in the back of our mind, we know that the two lines are what? Parallel. So on the test, if you write the two lines are parallel, are you going to get full credit? No. If I'm asking for solution, you write no solution. Does this make sense? Here it is. Okay, go ahead, everybody try this one. This one is kind of interesting too, in that when you substitute here, you substitute, it's best to solve for y, isn't that right? So I added y to both sides and then subtracted 1. So y equals to 2x minus 1. When I substitute that in, oops. When I substitute that in there, okay, I get, well, it's kind of stuck.
It's fine.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, here we go. It's kind of slow. So when I substitute that in there, I get 3 times 2x minus 1 plus 3 equals to 6x. And you get 6x equals 6x, and I could divide both sides by 6, I get x equals x. Do you think it's best idea to divide both sides by x there? Not quite, because when you divide by x, x could be 0, because then you'll be dividing by 0. So you would just leave it like this. Okay, so this is always true, correct? What does this mean? Two lines are same, therefore infinitely many solutions, right? It is every order pairs in that line, isn't that right? So that's what you write. Any question?